So you've set up email notifications to automatically go out to your customers when they submit a form on your site. But what if they're not actually opening the emails at all? A great solution would be to send a text message to their phone instead. But creating an automation like this can often be complicated, not to mention expensive. This is where the Twilio Addon by WPForms comes in. The Twilio Addon allows you to send confirmation messages to customers via SMS or WhatsApp after they've filled out and submitted a form on your site. Once inside the form builder, you can choose what kind of message you'd like to send and which Twilio phone number you'd like to send this message from. From there, you can choose to send this message to either the phone number a user enters in your form's phone field or any verified phone numbers you've added in Twilio. In the message box, you can write a custom message that will be sent to your customers and use smart tags to add any submitted form data you'd like to include. If you're sending a WhatsApp message, you can select from any of the message templates you've already created in Twilio. With just a few clicks, you can easily send SMS confirmation messages to your customers without having to use complicated third-party connectors or pay big bucks to make it happen. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.